guys, we're on Juvelen, Park's Intamin Straddle coaster. Right up just smacks the train at the cycle. It's hilarious. This looks amazing. I'm so excited for this. Let's do it. That's cool. Oh wow, okay, all right. Here we go. Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this is so fun already. Alright, second launch. Second launch. Whoa! Yeah! Oh yeah, dude! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh! What? Dude! Yeah! Oh! Oh my god! Wow! Woo! Wow. Oh yeah. That is how a straddle coaster should be. That was fantastic.
That second launch was
That was
nuts.
awesome, dude. Yeah, that's super intense for a straddle coaster. That's
Yeah.
great.